Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing video of swag that I got. I don't know from where this swag got. It has address of Honda Motorcycle and Skoda Center Limited. I opened the cover. In this there is a message card and a box. I don't know what this what's there in that box, and the cover is empty. Let me open this. There is a message. And a sticker of strawberry. For what I got, I didn't notice. And the cover is empty. Let me read the text present on this one. Thank you for joining us. We know that you have a lot going on, but we see you leveling up your developer skills. Whether you attend sessions about analytics, ML, AI, gaming, or full stack development, we hope you had fun at PyDay 2022. It means I got full PyDay. Now that you have seen what OCI can do, we welcome you to join us on our public Slack channel to learn more, or just visit the conversation at bit.ly/ODEVREL-Slack. Use the hashtag Bureau when posting your PyDay swag online to spread the weird air word. Has PyDay, has whatever. It has sign as symbols pi, asterisk, plus, doubles, super sign, cherry, and flower braces crossing one, and few hash commenting lines. I said this one, the symbols. Let me open this box. I'm excited to open this one. I open this side. A thermocol file is present. I got a box. Developer.oracle.com. Backside written carnival proud by city wear. I didn't remember for what this I got. It's showing by there. For which one I kept this one I didn't remember. And this is empty, full of production. Full for this stick up. It's delicate. If you if you done it will be like very easily delicate one. So that's why they gave this much production by placing Tamaka seeds. This is an structure. And this is the box. Due to some reason, it lost its Kruger. Bruised it. Let's have. Cheers. Let's have a party. And all developers. Oracle.com. Please like, share, and subscribe this video if you find my video interesting.